Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. So in this video, I will be explaining to you about comparative adjectives. So in today's video, I will be telling you about what is actually comparative, like why do we need to use comparative? This is number one. Number two, when do we need to use it? And then the rules. Let's start the lesson and not to keep you waiting. So for the first thing, what is actually comparative? Why do we need to use it? Comparative comes from compare, meaning that when you want to compare between two things, just two things, right? Then it's called comparative. So for example, if you want to talk about two items, two people, two countries, two places, anything, as long as they are two, alright? So in this case, we need to compare between them, okay? So this is number one. Number two, how can we use comparative? Now you might be wondering like, okay, now we know the meaning of comparative, but how can we use it? What are the steps that we need to know? So basically the steps that we need to follow are quite a lot, as I mentioned. In today's section, we will talk about adjectives with one syllable. What does that mean? It means that we need to look at the adjective to know if it has one syllable or more than one. How do we know if the adjective has one syllable or more? We need to look at the word. And then we need to read it. If you feel that the word is easy to be read without any parts, then it has one syllable. But if you feel that the word has more than one part, like for example, if you look at the word big, as you see it in here, big. Can you read it with me? Big. Do you feel that there are some parts or some stages when you read it? No, it's just big. That means we add ER, bigger. But if you look at something else, for example, expensive, expensive. Is it possible to read it in one way, or we need to say expensive? Well, it has three parts. Expensive. So what does that mean? We need to add more. Why? Because it has more than one syllable. Now I am going to provide you with more examples and what is the rule that we need to follow to create perfect sentences. So let's have a look. So let's look at these examples to understand the meaning of one syllable adjectives. Number one, long. Because long has one syllable, then we add ER. It will be longer. And then in here, tall. Again, we add ER because it has just one syllable. And the same thing goes to the other adjectives. Now let's look at these sentences that I just wrote. Here we have, this park is larger than the other one. So because we are talking about comparative adjectives, so we are comparing between this park and the other park. So in here we used is. Why? Because we are talking about just one park. And then we added ER. After that we used than. So it's very important to use than when you compare between two nouns. Okay? And the same thing with the other example. Students in class A are smarter with ER and then followed with than. Right? Now let's look at the second part of comparative adjective. Two syllable adjectives. So what does that mean in here? It means that the adjective can have two syllables, can have two parts. Let's look at these examples. Here we have honest, honest. So that means it has two syllable adjectives. So in this case we can say more honest. we need to add more honest. We can't add er. We can't say honester, for example. And the same thing, famous. Famous. So because it has two syllable adjectives, so we need to use more and then famous. Three or more syllables. What does that mean? Here we have expensive. So this is similar to the example that I shared with you in a few minutes. So because it has three syllables, so we add more expensive. And the same thing with dangerous. Dangerous. So it will be more dangerous. Yeah, so basically this is all from today's section. I really hope you managed to understand comparative adjective. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. So for further information, just subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to be updated on when the video will be uploaded. So in this case, I wish you a happy day and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.